Hi everyone, it's Nicole from Sydney English Teacher, and I'm coming to you today with another tongue twister. This one's quite a funny one, and it's actually really difficult. We'll be practicing the b sound, the k sound, and the t sound. So, let's give it a go and see what happens. Black, back, bat. Black back bat, black back bat, black back bat. Should we try it faster? Black back bat, black bat. Oh, that was hard. Black back bat, black back bat, black back bat, black back bat. So as you can see, the hard bit there is that you add the extra l sound in the middle, and your tongue gets in a twist. Black bat bat. No, see, I can't even do it. Do you want to try? Well, you're much better than me. Well done. Black back bat, black back bat, black back bat, black back bat. So practice that on your own over the next few days, and that will really help you isolate those particular sounds. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for listening, and come back again soon for another tongue twister.